Who you gonna call? What's going on, everybody? Captain Granite back again with a new motovlog. Just out doing a little bit of errands. I was able to go and get my bike inspected. I was able to go to the bank. I gave the bike a nice wash, and I was able. Ow! I didn't see that bump. And I was able to go over to a friend's house and pick up something that she made me. Something Captain Granite related. And there's actually going to be some news coming up in about a week or so regarding it. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I hope everyone's having a good day. It's getting warmer as I'm out. When I left the house, it's like 70 degrees. And now, according to my bike thermometer, it's 89. But I do have a topic. Something that I thought of, because, growing up, I always thought I was a pretty good child. But the question was raised, what's the biggest temper tantrum you ever had? And I remember once, and I for the life of me, I don't know what it was about, why I was acting the way I was, but I was just a miserable little shithead, and I was screaming, I was yelling. I said something to my mother, and man, I got cracked upside the head for it, and that was the only time I was ever smacked. But man, I really don't remember what it was about, but it's something that sticks out in my head. Like, okay, I remember being that bad and my parents having a reaction to it. So now there's been other times I've been mouthy when I was growing up. I've had anger issues. I snapped my glasses in half before, and I remember that reason. I was supposed to spend the weekend at my grandparents', but they had to get to where I was to pick me up before 8 o'clock at night, and they pulled in at like 8:15 or something like that, and I wasn't allowed to go outside to go with them and go over to their house. So I flipped out. I was so pissed off, and I remember going into the bathroom. I remember them sitting outside, beeping the horn, like, hey, we're here, let's go. But I wasn't allowed to go outside and go to them. But I remember going into the bathroom, and I just, glasses, snap, just didn't care. I was so pissed. And I was like 7, 8 years old maybe at the time. That was just some temper tantrums that I had growing up. And a lot of it, of course now, I'm 32 years old. I'm thinking to myself, I could have handled that a lot better. I could have done, of course, I'm a lot more mature, and I actually got conscious thinking going. And hey, there's the Chaos and Kindness store. Yeah, the Chaos and Kindness people are amazing for this area. They do so much good. They do a bunch of they help out so many people that are just less fortunate.
15 minutes later.
Oh. Holy shit. Oh my God, it is you guys. Hey guys.
What's going down?
Hey man. I saw you guys got these yesterday. That's awesome.
Yeah, we'll go for a cruise.
Yeah?
Yep.
Awesome.
Go for a ride.
Have fun.
Stay safe.
Yeah.
Stay fun out there.
That was pretty cool that I just ran into Justin and Tony out on their brand new Sportster 1200s. They just got those yesterday, And it's awesome that I was just talking about them. Those are two of the guys from Chaos and Kindness that help out so many people around this area. And that was the first time I've actually ever met them. Just, hey, timing's everything. So, I mean, I'm not necessarily starstruck, but I'm pretty damn close. Okay, maybe I am starstruck. Cheese and rice. Cheese and rice. But hey, I'm glad they're out having fun, out riding. They, two amazing guys. So, that's just a little extra on top of this motovlog, I guess. I could hear someone talking. I don't think it was those two ladies, but I waved to them. God, I've been pretty much in quarantine since end of February, early March. You know, I've been just spending pretty much every day at home. I can literally count on two hands how many times I've actually been out since then. And you know, I'm one of those people, I have the utmost patience in the world. And I don't ever feel like I have to rush. I don't feel like, you know, that there's something being a hindrance to me. Like sitting at the bank today, I was gonna record, but I ended up sitting there for 15 minutes. And I was just, you know, waiting. I wasn't getting upset. The guy behind me sat there for 5 minutes and he was like screaming in his truck. But, you know, I sat there and I just, you know, I waited for my turn. And I did what I had to do and got it done, and then I left. But I find that I have a lot of patience. And also, I got spotted at the bank. A guy that follows me on, oh my god, I can't remember the app's name. Tone It? To Own It? I'll put it up here. It's an app that you can download on your phone. It's a motorcycling app. He follows me on there. And I apologize for not getting your name. And I apologize for not having any spam cards. But I actually did. I have some right here. This pocket. In this pocket. I realized that after the fact. So I apologize, sir. I apologize. But it was just awesome, like sitting there waiting and just, hey, Captain Granite! I'm like, oh shit, like what'd I do? Because I've only ever been spotted once before. And, you know, this guy was just so happy and excited. And, you know, that made my day. It really did. Like, that was just awesome. So if you're watching this video, please, dude, comment and let me know, and I'll send you some stickers and a spam card. But man, that was awesome. That really made my day. But yeah, he said he watches my videos. It made my day. You know, what more can I say? You know, it's such a rare occurrence for me. Plus, I don't live in town anymore, so I never get the opportunity to. So yeah, I really wanted to talk about, like, you know, what's the biggest temper tantrum you ever have, and how much patience do you have? Oh, he was letting me know that there's a policeman officer up here. Should I wave? I'm just gonna stare at him. But yeah, patience. How much patience do you actually think you have? I know, like, I like to think I have a lot, and I really do think I have a lot of patience, because I rarely get angry. I rarely get, you know, to the point where I feel like I'm displeased or like something's a hindrance. But I know a lot of people can't wait. My wife, oh my god, she does not have any patience. Oh my. You know, I love you. If you watch this video, she doesn't watch my videos. If you watch this video, I love you, but you have zero patience. you do not wait in lines very well, and she doesn't have that volume control where you say stuff under your breath, like, you know, oh, this guy in front of us is a jackass. She's like, can you believe this guy in front of us? I mean, come on. I'm like, It's basically loud enough so he probably hears it, or she probably hears it, or it's just low enough for them not to, but it's damn close. But yeah, she has no patience. I think I gained my patience from hunting all those years. Like sitting in the woods, you know, I usually go without seeing anything in the woods. So, and I still hunt. I love to hunt, and I still go out there. I still have fun. It doesn't bother me that I don't see like anything out in the woods. I think that's what taught me to have patience in this world. So yeah, I'm just curious to know what sort of patience people have out there. So, your homework for this motovlog is, what's the biggest temper tantrum you ever remember having? And how much patience do you have? You know, leave a comment down below. You guys have been phenomenal about leaving comments and hitting the like button. Oh my God, I appreciate it. I love responding to comments. I've never had as many comments as I've had to start off a year. Overall, I mean, like, it's crazy. And you guys are just, the level of support has gone from here to way up here. And I love it. And you know, I'm getting around, I'm watching everyone's videos. I'm hitting the like button on everyone's videos that I watch. You know, sometimes I get to comment, sometimes I don't, and I do apologize. I'm getting better at it. Now that work has kind of evened out for me. During my lunch breaks, I've been responding to comments, going to other people's that I have watched and commented. So, I do appreciate you. But yeah, that's really it for this motovlog, guys. And then this one will probably come out after my Kangamangus one. Actually, I know it will, because Kangamangus video was on Sunday. This will be out on Wednesday. It's Friday now, Memorial Day weekend. I don't know how much I'll be out on the bike during Memorial Day weekend, just because traffic around here kind of sucks. And to go out and actually put together a video while sitting in traffic doesn't really sound fun to me. It really doesn't. So anyway, thank you all again for stopping by the channel. If you can, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. This guy's trailer light is out for turning. Always be very vigilant whilst your motovlogs. If you'd like to, yeah, hit that subscribe button. You know, I'm sitting at 738. No, I'm higher than that. 770, 768, something like that. I'm up there. I'm up in the high 700s. You know, we're still climbing up, and I will have an announcement next week. Probably on not the Wednesday video, which will be this, but the Sunday video. I'll have an update. That will probably be when I announce what I'm gonna do. Giveaway. Sorry, Corona. So that will be coming out. And what else? What else? I think that's it. Yeah, I got nothing. I'm spent. The sun's gotten to me. My head's hurting. I haven't eaten today, which is bad for a diabetic. So I need to get home, get some high quality H2O in me, get some food in me, and kind of relax in the shade because this sun has kind of drained me a bit. And I'm burning too, and I put sunscreen on. So catch you guys on the next one. Captain Granite, out of here.